Mike Hughes here, and I'm at Visible247 or 247. These are actually products that you're going to see on other products. And what some of the things are is that they have these little samples so you can try them out on different designs. But here you can see them, what they look like when they're placed on those other products for keychains, lights, Swiss Army knives, just about anything. Chris has something to show us here about the products. You were showing me how they looked today and how they've come up from 10 years ago.
Yeah, so this is material that we designed roughly 10 years ago.
Right,
and that'll just show you the brightness when we've charged it with a tack light.
Okay.
If we take the same style of color today, same tack light, we've increased the performance dramatically.
Dramatically, probably on the Richter scale of 2 to 4.
At least.
At least, yeah, which is a log thing, right?
It's gotta be done.
Okay, cool. So these they come in all different colors, and if you know of anybody or you have a product that you want to glow, light up, literally for
perfect,
that this is what you need. You need to contact Visible247.com.
Perfect.
Okay, thank you very much, Chris.
Thank you.
You're welcome.